Okay, 1 secundo. I need to check if we are live. It looks like we are live. Okay. All right. Hello. So we are. There have been a lot of outlooks about Ida lately, and here is Ida right in this area. So let's see its highest wind gusts. So right now, let's actually scroll in closer. Its highest wind gusts, as of what I'm seeing, is 57 miles per hour. So let's see where it's forecasted to go over the next day or so. So it's gonna hit Cuba and be very close to tropical storm force. Actually, it's already hit tropical storm force, so it's really close. Oh, it's already tropical storm. It's really close to hurricane force when it swoops over Cuba. So it weakens a little bit over Cuba, which is good. And then it starts to strengthen as it goes in the Gulf. And boom. Looks like it's is indeed getting quite some strength. So let's just minus out and okay, check where this thing. So by midnight, this thing should already be in the Gulf, and Florida looks like they only get the little part of it, but all right. And it looks like immediately it's heading for Louisiana already, and this all right, so it's like hurricane force already. All right, let's check. Let's be very precise here. 82 miles per hour. Yeah, that's definitely it's category 1, and it looks like it's only strengthening as it puts its first little attack on Louisiana's coast. So oh gosh, okay. 91, let's check in this 92. So 90, 91. I'm just checking something. Alright, it's not quite a category 2 yet, but it's still okay. Zoom out, and let's keep playing it. So by Saturday evening, its winds should already be over New Orleans, or sorry, the Louisiana coast, and then it kind of moves slower, and I'm seeing quite the white spot. Let's check here. 103. All right, so it hits category 2 Sunday morning, which unfortunately is when church for a lot of people happens. So hopefully this thing doesn't. All right, it looks all right. It hits Louisiana Sunday afternoon, and then it keeps going on. Direct impacts New Orleans, then gets weaker, weaker, weaker. But now let's check up on the wind. So let's see how bad this can get. So it goes over Cuba. Immediately, we're seeing strong development in this area. 45-mile-per-hour winds, so that's a steady wind of almost 50. All right. It already has quite the development on its northeast side, and then it's just north front starts strengthening up. So in this blue, we can see 50-mile-per-hour winds, a steady steady wind of 50 miles per hour at its strongest. It's pretty big. Hurricane Ida is actually very big. All right, we're seeing blue. So let's check. Oh, we're seeing purple, like deep purple, 77. Yeah, so this thing's gonna definitely be strong. If it's category 1 with just winds. Sunday morning. And then it just kind of hovers over the coast of Louisiana for a bit. And we're seeing some deeper purple. 80-mile-per-hour steady wind. So yeah, that thing is dangerous. And look at how big it is, too. After this check, we're gonna go see how much rain it's supposed to bring. Alright, and it looks like it then kind of hovers over New Orleans for quite a few hours, and then it just kind of fades off. And New Orleans certainly is, according to the GFS, going to get in a little bit of a danger path. So now let's check thunderstorms. So, no, just rain. Okay. All right. Let's see. Goes over Cuba. And it's hitting 1.5 inches of rain. So there's gonna be heavy rainfall, which I'm checking the wrong model. It's not much different. Here in the white we can see 2 inches. Not too different, but still something. So according to the GFS, excuse me, it's supposed to head into the Gulf. Its rainfall looks like it's weakening. Yeah, it weakens over this area of the Gulf. Looks like it's hit its early climax over Cuba, and then it starts picking up strength again, and we can definitely see that rotation as it starts just Yeah, it starts developing into just a circle. And its rainfall areas are definitely okay. Then that's 2.5 inches of rain. That's dangerous. So there's supposed to be a lot of rain accumulation. We're gonna check that in a second as well. So Sunday early morning, this thing has just a beast of rain in the middle of it. And that is going to bring some flooded roads along with it. And it looks like this rain goes over New Orleans, and just storms New Orleans with all this rain, man. New Orleans is gonna get 2.5 inches of rain, just pure rain from this thing. And you can see its arms and stuff. Its rain is its winds weaken, but its rain is absolutely still beastly. It only starts calming down when it is over Mississippi Monday morning. So let's check rain accumulation over the next 5 days. And we can see definitely where it went. 9 inches. Alright, so let's check New Orleans. So basically 9 inches of rain. This thing is just absolutely going to be pouring rain, and that is dangerous. Oh, 10 inches in some areas. That's very. It's definitely not optimal. Alright, so the waves are definitely high, but when it goes over Cuba, its center waves are 17 feet tall. So it goes over Cuba here, and it looks like the land weakens its waves. But that's still not to be joked about, because just look at these things. Like near La Fe, um, supposed to be getting 9 foot waves, and in its center, it's getting 12 feet. So these waves are definitely something people are talking about. So if you want to go to the beach, go to the beach before this thing comes over. It's over Cuba as we speak, I'm pretty sure. Well, no, it's not. But we can see this area starts strengthening. Oh, 16-foot waves. 15. Yeah, that's dangerous. That's definitely dangerous. Alright, I'm seeing a spot of white. 22 feet. Okay. Well, let's watch what it does over land. Because I'm pretty sure right now that's the most important thing. So with tall waves comes storm surge. So that's why I'm doing this. Alright. Yeah, it has very high waves in its center, almost 30-foot waves. Which is nuts. And it goes over the coast. So let's check. Alright. So this little stretch, yeah, 32 feet. So here is supposed to get 8 foot wave, so that accumulates into quite the storm surge. Now, there's forecasted to be 7 to 11 feet of storm surge in this area, which is dangerous because that can put like a lot underwater. 30. All right, and then we see this area in the red, 11 full wave. So at its climax, this little coast area is gonna get some pretty bad storm surge. Actually, one little area is getting like 16 full waves, so I'm not sure how much storm surge that would be. I don't know if waves directly impact the storm surge, like our storm surge, but. And then we see this little strip of land get into the like intense stuff, and that is nerve-wracking because the higher the waves, the worse it is, and when it hits like 24 feet, that can put an entire story underwater, a story of a house, and that is just dangerous. So it doesn't look like it makes too much progress. New Orleans getting 13-foot wave, so that's definitely dangerous. Storm surge from this storm is beastly, and then we see it calm down because at this point Ida itself is like here, but this area definitely is still getting whipped by these waves, which in my opinion isn't all that great at all. I don't know if it's good in anyone's opinion. So okay, yeah, that's dangerous. That's definitely dangerous. All right, well, if you did enjoy, I would appreciate a sub. We're on the way to 30 subscribers. You can check out my winter outlook for latest outlook on this winter. It's been doing stunningly lately, over almost at 200 views, which is nuts for this channel. So guys, thank you for tuning in to the stream if you did, or if you didn't, just thank you for watching this. Because it didn't really go over what it's doing now. I went over what it's going to do in the future with the GFS model. If you guys want to see Euro model, go check out other people. I don't do Euro model much here, but I guess if you guys want, I could do it. But yeah, thank you for watching the either stream or the stream video, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Yeah.